Unlock the incredible power of an AI-generated video with Sora AI, completely free. You've heard the buzz about Sora AI, but the idea of using such advanced technology might seem expensive today. We're going to demystify how you can harness its creative potential without spending a single penny. The first secret to using Sora AI for free lies in understanding its potential. Free tiers and trial periods. Creators and developers often offer limited access or introductory trials to allow users to experience the magic of their AI. Our first step is to carefully explore the official Sora AI website, looking for any sections that mention free, trial, or community access. Once you find this, it's crucial to act quickly during these windows. Sign up with a valid email, and you'll likely gain temporary access to a range of features. This initial access is perfect for experimenting and understanding the platform's core functionalities. Our second step is mastering prompt engineering. Even with free access, the quality of your output directly depends on your input. Be vivid, be specific, and try different descriptive words. Think about the style, mood, camera angles, and even the emotional tone you want to convey in your video. See the difference? A well-crafted prompt can elevate your generated video from basic to breathtaking. Experiment with different phrasing and observe how Sora AI interprets your requests. This iterative process is key to unlocking its creative potential without cost. Now, for our third step, creative application within limitations. Free tiers often come with certain restrictions on usage, output length, or resolution. The trick is to be resourceful instead of aiming for a feature-length film. Focus on creating impactful short clips, animated logos, explainer video segments, or artistic visualizers. Think about using Sora AI for social media content, quick concept visualizations, or even to enhance existing projects by focusing on smaller, achievable goals. You can maximize its utility. Remember to always check the terms of service regarding commercial use of any AI-generated content you produce, even on a free tier. By following these steps, circumflex euros, identifying free access opportunities, honing your prompting skills, and applying creative strategies, circumflex euros, you can indeed leverage the power of Sora AI without any financial commitment. Happy creating.